Okay, black is not my color, but try to stay focused and listen to what I have to say. Here's a very easy tip that's green. It's going to get you organized, and it's going to save you some money. According to Earth911.com, which is a fantastic site for all things green and learning statistics and where you can recycle, 8 out of 10 plastic bottles end up in the landfill. Americans use 29.8 billion plastic bottles annually. Now, if you don't care about the earth, let's talk about how it can save you money. If you're buying plastic bottles, the site 2TAP, and that's DACK, the number 2, TAP, found that you're spending between $150 to $550 annually on plastic bottles. Now, it would cost you approximately $15 to $17 to find a really great BPA-free plastic bottle. So for $15, you're going to do the earth a favor as well as save yourself money. I have this great bottle with Camelback that's BPA-free. I love it. They come in all different colors. But having a water bottle is also a great tool for you to get organized. I'm a huge fan of color coordinating things, especially for children. 80% of us are visual. So if you get a child a blue water bottle, have their toothbrush blue, their towels blue, their gym bag blue, their backpack blue, and keep it all the same color, that's going to be easier when you're trying to get out in the morning, a visual clue for them to remember what's theirs and to not get confused with their brother and sister. So if you want to get organized and save yourself some money, consider getting a reusable, but make sure it's BPA-free, water bottle. These things are great. They come in a variety of styles. And for a small investment, you'll not only save yourself money, but you also do something well for the environment. And the polar bears will love you.